if the struggles that you're facing today are not motivating you to be better, to do better, and to be more as a better human being, forget the money, forget the ego, just to be that better person. If you're not feeling through the challenges and the dark times that you may be in right now, if you're not feeling inspired to do and be better, then you're just giving up on yourself. And I'm here to catch you right now that I've been through it. I've been through addictions, I've been through job losses, breakups, family moves, all sorts of kinds of horrible things. And I understand also that people have been through a lot worse than what I've been through. So I'm not here to tell you that my life's been worse than yours or whatever. It doesn't matter. And some people are really, really going through it right now. But the point of this video is to remind you and ourselves that we're not here to give up. These challenges and these battles that we face and the shattering of what we knew and who we were is all by design, and it's all there to teach us so we can bathe in the discomfort and let it overwhelm us, or we can channel it and use these shit times, these hard times where nothing seems to be working out for us, and use it as a starting point to be better, to prove, not to anyone else, but to ourselves, who we are as humans and what we're here for. And it's so easy for us to fall into this constant negative loop on where everything seems to be crashing and going wrong. Whatever it might be, I understand, but it's all by design, as I've said, and we can use it to pick ourselves up, to inspire us, to make them uncertain decisions that almost make no sense, but just to each and every day just show up and just make the effort to pull ourselves out of the dirt, to build the strength and the muscles that we need to sustain our new life and our new frequency. So if you are going through it right now, as so many people seem to be struggling and down and out and going outside of themselves to try and get some professional help, counselling, and I'm not saying any of that is wrong, but the true answers come from us being with us. And yes, we should talk about our problems, and yeah, we can look and seek for help, but ultimately it's us. The only person that's going to be there for us through every down, every struggle, every heartbreak, every loss is going to be ourselves. And the truest answers will only come from within. There's nothing anyone's going to tell you on how you should walk through your day-to-day life, or what you should and shouldn't do, that's going to really pull you out of the mess that you might be finding yourself in. So again, yes, it's good to speak to people, yes, it's good to go and get the help, but we have to be careful that we take accountability at some point for why we're feeling the way that we are. And there's no counsellor or therapist that doesn't have their own issues and their own problems, and they definitely don't know you the way you know yourself. So I know this sounds like a bit of a rant and a bit of a rumble. I'm not here to paint a pretty image or a perfect setting for these videos. It's just as a place where I can offer a bit of guidance. Not one am I ever going to tell you what to do, or even tell you that I've got it all figured out, because I haven't. but through somebody that's walked through a pile of shit and what feels like a never-ending cycle of doors slamming in your face. I have what I seem to think is a bit of knowledge and a bit of wisdom that I can share with you, and that's ultimately why I'm making these videos. So if you're feeling lost and you're feeling a little bit confused right now, you can reach out to me. My descriptions are down below. I'm here for you if you need any help or any guidance, and I've built a fabulous sanctuary for people that are going through it, no matter what that might be, where they can't see through the dark and they're feeling a little bit lost right now. It's a place that I'm very proud of, and I would like it if you come and join me over there and we can connect a bit further. But keep going, keep going. The start of this video started from saying we do not give the power away. We do not let the negative emotions, or whatever they might be right now, to direct us and keep us stuck and keep us trapped. We refuse to give up on ourselves. Each and every one of you watching this video knows that you weren't here to quit, you weren't here to fold, and you weren't here to stay down. So keep up the good fight, keep showing up for yourself every day, and there's nothing but love. So keep going, you're doing better than what you know. See you on the next video.